Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase whole mess WordPress theme for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect this type of product page. Okay. So here we mention each and everything detail about this product, and we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with original license key so that you can update it from your WordPress dashboard. So if you need anything else, so just click on search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about whole mess theme. So let me explain you these things, the details. So use for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard, installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will provide you installation in a few minutes with our original license key. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name and other information, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. Okay. After the payment confirmation, you will drag this type of product page. Here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will provide you installation in few minutes. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.